Feeling overwhelmed by too many lists cluttering your Trello board? Let's get started with a simple solution, removing those unwanted lists to create a cleaner, more efficient workspace. First, navigate to the Trello board containing the list you wish to delete. Then, locate the list and hover your mouse over its title. You will see three dots, which is the List Actions menu. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear presenting various options. Look for and select Archive. This list archiving removes the list from your board but doesn't permanently delete it immediately. See, the list has disappeared from your board. Now, if you want to permanently delete the list, click on the Show menu button, usually located at the top right corner of your Trello board. In the board menu, find and click on Archived Items. This will display all the cards and lists that you've previously archived. Locate the archived list you want to permanently delete. Next to it, you'll see three dots, which is another List Action menu. Click it. From the drop-down menu, choose Delete. Trello will prompt you to confirm this action, as this is a permanent deletion. Confirm your decision by clicking Delete. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible, and the list and all its cards will be permanently removed. Congratulations! You've successfully removed a list from your Trello board, contributing to a more organized and productive workflow. Now you can repeat these steps to delete any other unwanted lists and create a streamlined workspace.